What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 5 most hype upcoming NFT project in 2023, and this is going to be part 3. They're not in any specific order, and again this is just my personal opinion and I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And all the projects that I'm gonna show you, I think they have a huge potential. I think they are very high project, and I'm gonna do my best to get a whitelist spot for every single one of them. But I'm gonna be honest, it's not easy to get a whitelist spot, and it's gonna take a lot of effort and grinding. So first project, it's called Frankies Dinner. So as you can see, this project is kind of reminds me like a old school style, like a Looney Tune or Tom and Jerry kind of vibe. They already have a website, they have a Discord, and they have a actually pretty cool animated art. And if we're gonna play, as you can see, it does kind of reminds me that old school vibe, and it's looking very cool. And I think this project has a huge potential and a lot of known people and influencer following this project. So if we go to their website, as you can see right here, this is how you're gonna enter. Then you press on enter, then it changes into color, and looks like this part is underwater, and there's a home, about, and team. And if we scroll down, and as you can read right here, this is a little about the actual project. And then if we scroll down, there's frequently asked questions. So this is what's Frankies Dinner about, you can see right here. And then how many NFTs. So they're gonna have 1930. I'm guessing maybe they chose that number due to year maybe 1930. That's when all of those cartoons were coming out. So I'm just guessing, I'm not sure if that's correct. And then is the whole collection animated? And it's yes, so it's actually really cool. Every single NFT is going to be animated. And then is there a Discord server? Yes, you can join it here. So if you're going to join, you're going to be able to find more info, and maybe they're going to be doing some giveaways in it, some whitelist spots, and maybe you can win like that. And then mint price and date, so stay tuned for updates. So they haven't decided yet, but if you're in their Discord and follow them on Twitter, I'm sure you're gonna find that information on there once they get announced. And then the second project, it's called 2219. So 2219 project, there's not a whole lot of information about this project. It's just the year it's all begin. Will you be amongst the chosen ones? And it's powered the Mecca Chain. If we go to Mecca Chain Twitter, this is futuristic Web3 mobile game, so I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna associate, but most likely this is gonna be like some kind of game or something like that. And they have actually really cool trailer, and if we'll play just for a few seconds, as you can see how everything is mated and done. And I'm not gonna play the whole thing. I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Maybe you can go back if you're interested and watch the trailer. And if we scroll down more, you can see you can join Mecca Chain Discord. So I'm assuming it's associated with this project since it says gates open, and their art looking really cool. Slightly reminds me like a AI generated, but most likely it's not. And then if we scroll down, they have actually more teasers and trailers in their Twitter posts. So this is another one. I think it's still at the early stage. I think you still have opportunity to get a whitelist spot for this specific project. And then the third project is called Utopia Avatars. This is another very hype project, but it's going to be minting very soon. So you can join their Discord and we'll look through their website. And if we scroll down, there's trailers on their Twitter post. And if we scroll down slightly more, as you can see, this one is going to be minting on February 21st. So it's still not too late to get a whitelist spot, but again, it's going to be very hard. And I think they have on their website still allow list page that you can actually submit to see if you can qualify for allow list. And this is going to be the price. This price is kind of pricey, but it's all depends what this project is trying to bring in. So maybe this is actually not bad of a price for this specific project. And this is their breakdown. So the supply is going to be almost 10,000. So the supply is pretty high for the actual price, but I think the utility and what they're trying to do, I think it's actually worth it. So the phase 1, it's gonna be 12-hour window, then phase 2 another 12-hour window, and then phase 3 it's 2-hour window, and then public sale. I'm not sure exactly how they allocate it and if there's gonna be any leftover for public sale, but this is the way they're breaking down their sale. So if we scroll up and then if we go to their website, right here you can enter Utopia, or you can actually allow list app as live. So if you're gonna press that, you're probably gonna have to connect your wallet and maybe follow them on Twitter, maybe retweet and like something and comment, and then you're gonna be entered into this raffle. And then right here, if we go, so this is our mission, and there's a what's Utopia, and then team treasury hunt, and then a couple others. So we're gonna look through the mission. So if we go in here, the mission, it's gonna be disrupt traditional business model through the Web3 technology innovation. And then, so this is their mission. And then if you press on teams, you can see the entire team. Looks like everybody is docs from the team, founders, advisors, and the actual team itself. Then they'll have utility-based tokens, partners, and then frequently asked questions. I'm not gonna dive deep into the details, but you can go to this website and actually read everything about this specific project. And as you can see, they're gonna be minting in 7 days and 12 hours. And you can still apply to allow list spots. So if I press on it, like I said before, you're probably gonna have to connect your wallet, share, and then enjoy and just wait. So good luck to everybody. And then the fourth project, it's called Nonfungible Arcade. So this is actual gaming company. They also gonna be minting very soon, as you can see right here. Official NFT Arcade Season 1 mint date is February 20th. Supply is gonna be 4,000, and then the price is going to be 250 USDC. So I'm assuming based on that, they're going to be minting in USDC, or maybe they're going to convert in the last day into Ethereum. I'm not entirely sure. And then if we actually going to open up their website, they already have actual working game. So right here, it's either you can play publicly or you can play if you hold a pass. I'm assuming if you already got an NFT, or it's going to be after they're going to mint, then so you can play roadmap and then frequently asked question. And I already actually tried to play. It's actually pretty cool mini game, and I'm sure they have many different levels and other cool features and things in a game. And the really cool thing about this project, that they already have actual product build. And then the last project, it's called Iron Paw Gangs, and this project is by Adam Ape. And I know this project is going to be very hype, and it's going to have a high demand. So if we scroll down, as you can see, let's play this little teaser that was actually posted on July 15th. As you can see, this kind of vibes remind me a little bit of Possessed NFT, but this has so many other things, so much more an actual NFT than Possessed. And if we scroll down, as you can see, like this one right here is pretty cool one. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, like for example, this one, there's so many details and so many things, and this specific NFT is gonna be, so I think I watched the actual little trailer. Each NFT could take probably up to multiple days to create, like every little part or animated piece in here. So this one is gonna be very high project, and it's gonna have high demand. And at this time, I don't think they're even collabing with anybody, but I would keep an eye on this project and try to get a whitelist spot once they're going to be given out. Actually, looks like they already have allow list. So if you open it up, new page is going to appear. And right here, the only way to get guaranteed spot, I guess it's either you'll have a voxel monkey or 4x4 edition, or this NFT right here. This one has 495 supply, this one 500, and this one I think it's only 75. So let's press and see how much this one's gonna cost. So buy on hyperspace, take us to another page. Let's see. So oh wow, so actually to own one of those, floor price, it looks like almost 1200 Solana tokens. So to have a guaranteed spot, you have to have one of those NFTs, and I'm not sure exactly what's going to be the supply. So this is last project that I'm keeping my eye on, and I will do my best to get a whitelist spot for all of the projects that I show you. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.